In a quiet corner of the road, a tiny kitten faced the world alone and in pain. Her cries were soft, meow, meow, but full of fear, as if calling for a miracle. Not far away, someone heard her. Someone brave, kind, and loyal. Bello ran through the fields, heart racing, ears tuned to the sound. When he found her, she was broken, but her eyes met his and didn't look away. He gently picked her up, not out of duty, but out of love. Through sunlight and silence, Bello carried her to safety, to hope. He curled around her, a warm shield from the world outside. That night, for the first time, she slept without fear. By morning, Bello began healing her, one gentle touch at a time. But care meant more. He went searching for food, for strength. From the sea, he brought back a gift, a fresh meal cooked with care. She heard and rested, full belly, peaceful heart. Then, the first miracle, she stood, weak but standing. Side by side, they stepped into the sun, two souls, healing together. She stumbled, he steadied her. She laughed, he barked. They understood each other. Then came rain, cold and wild. Bello shielded her with his own warmth. She didn't shiver anymore. She had him. With time, her play returned. Leaves, jumps, laughter. And Bello? He watched, proud, his heart full. They left the shelter, not because they had to, but because they were ready. Through forests, through shadows they walked, always together. When danger appeared, Bello stood tall, and the world stepped back. They found a new place, not just safer, but home. Under the stars, they dreamed the same dream of never being alone again. Morning brought joy. The kitten, who once limped, now ran free. She slipped near the stream, but he caught her, muddy and